Asuntoskeittiö Lentävän raitti.
This is Porrassalmenkuja Force C here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland. It's a rare coincidence, like where they built the elevators already in the previous year, late 1977, but they only started constructing this residential building in 1978. Well, they didn't know if they were going to need them or not, but they did them. With best CX4 processor, 325 grams, and it was modernized with Kone fixtures in 1998, and earlier I believe it was at green light. The number is VS4940, and of course you can watch the sticks you see them bigger.
Yeah. Film staircase B in 2018.
Yes. You were of course the first one to notice these.
Yeah.
Find them.
Yeah. Also Finnish lift Finland 2005.
Yeah. Yes. And this was originally built by ValmetSchlieren.
Yeah.
And the interior is the original here.
Yeah.
Now we can probably take two rides here.
Yeah.
It's also where the Tampere rail line will be extended, not inspected, but extended. Sorry, I'm saying inspected all the time. Extended, yes, by 2024, but first to Satalahti in 2023. But of course, this needs the Tampere light rail also.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva, maintained by Pirkanmaan, his Tekniikka.
Yeah, it deserves it. It's that kind of suburb that really deserves a light rail.
Yeah.
Somebody is coming from the ground floor.
No.
I heard it.
Yeah. Fortunately at ground floor.
Mm.
That's